Hey chaps, this is Areeb Ali Khan and you're watching ClipTube 4K. In this segment, we are going to learn so many things about music theory, Western theory, Eastern theory, plus how to sing and how to play guitars as well. And maybe afterwards we'll learn the piano skills also. We are going to give you a certificate as well. We are planning some activities, some assignments for you, and if you can complete it, so you can get a certificate from ClipTube. You can get an online certificate. I think that's a great idea. I think that's a great news. So, till then, see you. ClipTube 4K Explain.